Which synonym belongs to choleric? The correct answer is irate. Which synonym belongs to agitation? The correct answer is perturbation. Which synonym belongs to facet? The correct answer is aspect. Which synonym belongs to conducive? The correct answer is favorable. Which synonym belongs to high-flown? The correct answer is high-minded. Which synonym belongs to accolade? The correct answer is curly brace. Which synonym belongs to vacillation? The correct answer is wavering. Which synonym belongs to braggart? The correct answer is braggart. Which synonym belongs to cajole? The correct answer is coax. Which synonym belongs to orthodox? The correct answer is conventional. Which synonym belongs to piscatorial? The correct answer is piscatory. Which synonym belongs to palpable? The correct answer is touchable. Which synonym belongs to adage? The correct answer is colloquialism. Which synonym belongs to blanch? The correct answer is palliate. Which synonym belongs to noxious? The correct answer is injurious. Which synonym belongs to residue? The correct answer is lave. Which synonym belongs to euphonious? The correct answer is mellifluous. Which synonym belongs to asunder? The correct answer is in twain. Which synonym belongs to amenities? The correct answer is facility. Which synonym belongs to base? The correct answer is F. clef.